What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you, if you have a Logitech Harmony 600 remote, or any Logitech for that matter, it might be the same way, but some of my keys aren't working. First thing to do is remove the battery cover, take the batteries out, and then you're going to see 2 screws on this side, 2 on that side, and you're going to need a very tiny Phillips screwdriver. The other part is up here on this end, this little plastic piece they have glued on behind there. It's going to reveal 2 more screws that needs to be removed, and then there are some snaps you can see there. So you got to get a knife or something and carefully pry this thing apart. Alright, so once you got this separated, this little piece comes off here. And then there are, well, there's 1 screw right there. There's 2 over here to remove the main board. Okay, so once you got the board out, you're gonna find that this little rubber piece is just pulled off there, and then you're gonna see what your grubby paws contributed in grease by handling the remote. And this is why your buttons no longer work, because of all the grease that's built up from eating, touching the remote, and just normal everyday handling. And then this board here is going to have to be wiped down with some alcohol, and you can clean the screen as well. Just use some mild dish detergent, soap and water, you know, clean this up, and then we'll reinstall everything, put it back together, and everything will work again.